Same way, men find certain qualities of women attractive. That is the same way women find certain qualities attractive in men as well. Women always look out for these qualities to know if the man is a high-value man or not. So I want to tell you 5 qualities women secretly desires in men. Pay attention to the points to know which one among the listed qualities you already have and the one you need to start developing. The comments section is also open to share ideas or experience with others. Let's go right into it. These are the 5 qualities women secretly desire in men, but will likely not tell you. Number 1, a man who is fearless. Being fearless is one of the most important traits needed to succeed in life. For you to take risks, make important decisions, and take crucial stands that will improve your life, you need to be fearless. Women know this. They understand what men go through before they achieve success. That's why most women love fearless men. They know that a fearless man can protect them. Women lack confidence and strength, which is why they are drawn to confident, masculine, and fearless men. Most women might say it does not matter to them, but do not listen. Women are known to say one thing and do another. They may say it doesn't matter, but look at her closely, and you'll notice that she secretly craves for a guy who is masculine, fierce, and fearless. Number 2, a man who is self-assured. Women's search for successful men has no limit, because a man who is self-assured sets a very high standard. These are the kind of guys women feel insecure around, because these men have sorted out their lives and achieved many goals. These kinds of men need no validation to know they have done well for themselves. They love themselves and prioritize themselves above everyone else, including women. So women are always insecure around them because these men show uncommon strength and a high level of confidence. For this reason, women are extremely loyal to these kinds of men and would do anything to keep them. The qualities these kinds of men possess are so attractive to women, so they act very feminine. Around these kinds of men, women may categorize these men as proud and cocky, but secretly desire them and would seize an opportunity to be with them if approached. Number 3, a man who can't be controlled by sex. A man who is not controlled by sex is a man who has built himself all around. This is also a man with lots of options. This means he has other girls he is seeing. So it is difficult to control these kinds of men with sex. An average guy on the street falls for sex. Women easily manipulate them to do certain things they ought not to do, or come up with several demands because the guy wants to go between her legs. Women know that these kinds of guys don't have options, and as such, do not respect the average guy. That's why you should not be that guy. For this to be possible, you have to work on yourself all around. Fix your finances. Go to the gym to build a great body. It will open you to see multiple girls, and sex would be the least of your worries, because you can easily get it, since you have different options. Not caring and showing that you don't need it when a woman tries to manipulate you with sex will only make her respect you more. Women will secretly admire you and will want to have you at all costs. Number 4, a man who is never complacent. If you want to be a high-value man, you cannot be satisfied with little achievements. Even if you've achieved a lot, it's not enough to stop working. Never be satisfied. You can add more value to yourself. The world's richest men, the billionaires, are still working until tomorrow. If you're not close to where they are, then why are you satisfied? If you want to be the guy that women crave for, you cannot relax because you think you have money. You have to continue working, make it a lifestyle. The more ambitious and hungrier you are for success, the more women will chase you. If you stop working because you got that girl, she's watching you. Once she notices that you've stopped working or do not work as hard as before because you've gotten her, once she notices that you prefer to spend time with her than to work, she'll begin to lose interest in you and will replace you with a guy who would rather spend time doing his job than spending time with her. Women secretly love it when they see you busting your butt to get a result. Not being complacent and working to get more results, even when you have enough, is a quality that turns all women on. Number 5, a man who is a true leader and a protector. Women are known to be weaker and emotionally unstable. They are most of the time insecure about themselves, so they seek a masculine and emotionally stable partner who they can confide their insecurities in. This is why they crave a masculine and emotionally unavailable man. They always want that stoic figure that will be a source of their strength. This is why women secretly crave men that have leadership qualities, a man who has what it takes to protect and provide for them. If you want women to secretly admire you, you must have the qualities of a leader and a protector. Now that you've known the secret qualities woman wants in a man, start working and developing yourself around this information, because it will make the dating game a lot easier for you. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you'll be among the first to get great content like this whenever we post one. See you in our next video.